on the YouTube video. And you'll be able to see what team you have. You can pause it right there if you have to. Otherwise, I really hope that everybody's in here that is supposed to be in here. Screenshot for this old man. Alright, let's go Optic first. Let's go Optic first. Let me make sure if there's anybody I can see that I need to share this to in my deal. That I know is in. I'd share it to Riley. If Evan's not in here, I shared it to him. I didn't see. I noticed I could search. Oh, what is his username? He was the very first person, so that's why I gotta make sure. Oh well. Here we go. Let's go Bulls. Let's just go everybody. Let's hope everybody hits good big cards. We hit a photon out of one of these packs last week for free. Somebody got one for free. Got a Luka Garza and a silver T-321 Anthony Edwards. Going to the Timberwolves. Ant-Man silver. Can't miss. You got half the break. I don't think you could miss. We have Jalen Green for the Rockets and a non-rookie silver. Damian Lillard for the Trailblazers. The T's are killing it. Trailblazers, Timberwolves. Not bad, not bad. Got a purple, I believe. We have a Kessler Edwards going to the Nets. Might just be a... No, I'm pretty sure it's a purple. A De'Aaron Fox on the express lane. Let's go. Come on. We have a Zaire Williams going to the Grizzlies. And a winner stays. Chris Middleton going to the Bucks. There you go, Redneck. Going to the Bucks. Raptors, David Johnson. And a non-rookie silver, Josh Hart going to the Pelicans. Going to the Pelicans. We have a Greg Brown III going to the Portland Trailblazers and an express lane Ja Morant. Purple rookie. All right, illusions time. Whoa. $9.20 Big Rips. Thank you for the follow. 3 and 3. You guys, also, if you're just joining in tonight for the first time, I do have a Phoenix hobby box on its way. James and a CJ McCollum. That is not base. That is base. We have a Josh Giddey rookie and a Jaden Springer going to the 76ers. All right, I had to move all that base out of my way. We have a Trey Mann on the Instant Impact. There's a base Larry. And a Cade Cunningham rookie. There we go. Cade Cunningham going to the Pistons. Vidal Swanson, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. We have a rookie, Franz Wagner, going to the Magic. We have a Jericho Sims rookie with a Keon Johnson going to the Trailblazers. See, like I don't think any team is really dead. Like, you're over so many draft classes. What is this? We have a Devin Booker, King of Cards, going to the Suns. We have Brandon Boston Jr. Isn't Illusion supposed to be more of a premium set? But I feel like they're more base than a lot of other sets. Or base looking cards. We have an Alperen Sengun. Alperen Sengun and a Greg Brown III going to the Trailblazers. Oh, I can tell you this, I don't like their packs. We need an auto. We need an auto. Come on. Jeez. Is that a parallel? No? Maybe it is. Got a Chris Dirt. Alright. Let's get into a bunch of 2020 rookies. This is going to be full of Ja and LaMelo. No, not Ja. Anthony. Anthony and LaMelo are going to be coming out of this like crazy. We got 3, 6, 7. Okay. Donovan Mitchell. We have a Sadiq Bey going to the Pistons. We have Obi Toppin. Ain't no stopping him. And a marquee. Damian Lillard. Marquee. LaMelo Ball rookie card right there. Out of Threads. Got a Tyrese Halliburton. We have a Denny Avdija pink. And a Jay Sean Tate rookie. We're definitely going to hit up a bunch of rookies here. Killian Hayes. We have a Josh Green. Base rookies and stars. Got a James Wiseman rookie out of Panini Honors. And a rookie Isaac Okoro on the marquee. Where are the Golden State Warriors? We hit a couple. I know we did. There's a base. R.J. Hampton. Peyton Pritchard. Peyton Pritchard again. 2 Peyton Pritchard rookies going to the Celtics back to back. Got a Jayshawn Tate. Kings Tyrese Halliburton. There we go. There's an Anthony Edwards rookie. And a Bradley Beal marquee. LeBron James. James Wiseman. That's going to the Golden State Warriors. Got a Devin Vassell rookie and a Nico Mannion. All right, 2 more out of this box. Got a rookie Threads Cole Anthony. We have that guy. He's got a crazy first and last name. Crusade Emmanuel Quickly. And a Obi Toppin. Ain't no stopping Obi Toppin. What is that out of? It's like Essential. NBA Essential. Oop, dropped him. There went PSA 10 on those ones. Hopefully there's nothing good. There's a Luka base. Isaiah Stewart. Yeah, there was nothing that good in here. Got an Xavier Tillman Jr. or Xavier Tillman rookie. I don't know where the junior came from. Let's stick with 2020. Let's stick with trying to find more LaMelo here. We got 1 rookie out of there. Out of Chronicles. Empty box. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Let's go Genesis. Let's get a Genesis right here. Genesis or fluorescent. Shaquille O'Neal and a Kevin Garnett. Hall of Fame. Come on. Patrick Williams rookie and a green Kawhi Leonard. We have a Jordan Nwora and a Will to Win Zach Levine or Zach Levine, whatever, for the Chicago Bulls. There you go, Bulls. Lon is on the board, at least with an A Bull. And a Clint Capella Silver Mosaic. We have a Jayshawn Tate rookie and an Elevate James Wiseman. He's a Wiseman. For sure. Get this base out of the way quick. Alright, here we go. Got a true silver on the back. Nico Mannion. And a Zach Collins true silver. Zach Collins true silver. We have Miles Bridges, green, going to the Hornets. Come on, we haven't hit a single auto. National Pride, Tyrese Halliburton, and a Desmond Bane green rookie going to the Grizzlies. There we go. All right, let's go 21-22 Cade Hunting. Let's go Cade Hunting. Let's find Cade. 3 and 3. Or an auto. Cade color, silver, or an auto. If I remember, rookie color was hard. Evan Mobley. Got a purple wave. Dylan Brooks. Going to the Grizzlies. And we have a global reach silver for the Pacers. Sabonis. Sabonis, true silver, global reach. We have a Trey Mann for the Thunder and an instant impact Davion Mitchell rookie. Thank you for the likes. Green light. We have a Brandon Boston rookie and an emergent Davion Mitchell. Davion Mitchell emergent. Got a cracked ice in the back here. Rookie for the Wizards, Corey Kispert, Los Angeles Lakers. Show me that balding head. No. Carmelo Anthony, cracked ice, going to the Lakers. I forgot Carmelo was on the Lakers for this set. Dang. Another cracked ice. We're just saving them all for the end here. True silver and a cracked ice. It was right side up. Going to the Suns. Jalen Smith. For the Hawks. Non-rookie Danilo something. Nari, something like that. On the cracked ice. True silver though. Jalen Smith. Alright, come on. Be nice to us. Did I save all the cracked ice for the end? Look at that. It's a green into a cracked ice. Quentin Grimes. Upside down. For the Magic, non-rookie, Mo Bamba. And then the Oklahoma City Thunder, we have a SGA. All right, come on. What was that noise? Let's go Bulls. All right, here we go. Let's dabble into this first. Let's get a peek at it. Let's get a peek at 24. 23, 24. Let's see if we can pull a Wemby. See if we can pull a Wemby. 3 and 3. Redneck, you missed all the way. It'll be on YouTube. What is that? Instant Impact, probably. Ben Shepard, Instant Impact, Jordan Hawkins, and a cracked ice for the 76ers. Rick Council the fourth, and the Grizzlies. Oh yeah, bases on the back. Bases on the back and get this year. It's a nice rookie cracked ice though. Okay. Green for the Pacers. Tyrese Halliburton green with a Adama Sangogo. Beautiful cards they are. Isaiah Wong. If he's Wong, I don't want to be right. There's a Luka Global Reach. Raptors non-rookie. Vince Carter cracked ice. Vince Carter cracked ice. Yep, I will be posting this up on my YouTube page, 402 Cards and Collectibles, if you've missed anything. Got an Osar Thompson and a Ricky Council the fourth rookie. We needed a banger. True Silver. Cracked ice into True Silver. Raptors. Pascal. Come on, True Silver. Don't do this wrong here. No. No. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I would have lost it. I would have lost it if that was a Wemby. Oh. Trey Jones, you dirty dog, you. You had me. All right, come on. Green. Hawks. Sadiq Bey. And veteran base on the back. Oh, you were fired up. I was fired up. Woo! Alright. I'm not a fan of whatever playlist I accidentally got into. Alright. Let's wrap up the last of the older product and we'll finish it off with the bangers. Juan, you pulled a pretty decent Bulls card already. I don't remember who it was. I think it was a cracked ice or a color or something. 3 and 3. We have a Dominance Joel Embiid. That was all base except for one card. Let's not do that again. Cracked ice into True Silver. Raptors. Precious. The Suns. Got a Devin Booker. True Silver. With a rookie Kenneth Lofton Jr. There's the Suns again. Man, the Suns are doing pretty good, really. On as far as getting colors and everything, the Suns are doing pretty darn good. We have a this is his normal card. Shaden Sharp. Emergent. Wow, my phone was at 100% before I started this break. We have a David Roddy cracked ice rookie and a rookie Kendall Brown true silver with a Walker Kessler rookie on the back. 3 rookies in a row there. One a true silver and the other was a silver cracked ice. I'm awesome. We have a global reach Rudy Gobert. Come on, pack. Do what you're supposed to do. Alright, last pack, we got a cracked ice into a green. Rockets, Kevin Porter Jr. Magic, Franz Wagner, green. And a rookie, Paolo Blacchiro. Alright, here we go. Let's go, Wimby. Let's go, Wimby. You know what you got to do, Wimby. You got to make us all... You got to make somebody a little bit of money here. Got to give Pistol Pete some money here, Wimby. Color, baby. We want to see color. Green for the Pacers, Obi Toppin. We have Hunter Tyson, rookie, and a base. You've got to know him. Got an instant impact. Rookie Jet Howard going to the Magic, my bad. Going to the Celtics, non-rookie, cracked ice, Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday. He's on the Celtics now. He was a Buck. But he is now on the Celtics. Panini. That's just a base. Backwards. Brandon Ingram. So does that mean there's like an auto hidden in here that was supposed to be backwards? Bilal something. And a base. Luka on the dominance. Rookie Cam Whitemore. We have another one of him, Emergent. Cracked ice for the Pelicans, Jose Alvarado. We have a Hunter Tyson rookie, green, going to the Hornets. Rookie Amari Bailey going to the Hornets. Rookie green. Come on, boxes. Come on, boxes. Three and three, we got 6. All right, we got a true silver into a cracked ice. Timberwolves. Karl Anthony Towns going to the Timberwolves. Hornets. Trey Rozier the third. What's up, Glassman? Got a Jonathan Isaac green. Brandon Miller. The Hornets are all of a sudden heating up. The Hornets are heating up in the wrong year product. It's wild. Celtics, Jason Tatum. The Wizards on the cracked ice. Denny Avdija on the cracked ice. Come on, Wemby. We have a green emergent going to the Nets. Derek Whitehead. Colby Jones rookie. What's up, Mr. Miles? We have a Asir Thompson on the deep space rookie. The Lakers rookie. It's a rookie Laker. Maxwell Lewis. Cracked ice. Going to the Lakers. Green, Jaden Hardy. Yao Ming. Why is that even in there? Wow. Come on, we have one hope. And it's this box. Three and three. LeBron base. Come on. Green. Come on. Hornets again. Gordon Hayward. Green going to the Hornets. Amari Bailey going to the Hornets. What is going on? The Hornets heated up. Instant impact. No. Dominance. Giannis going to the Bucks. The Hawks, non-rookie, DeAndre Hunter, cracked ice. Green on the global reach, Jamal Murray. I really wish that was a Victor right there because I know he's in the set that way. Keontae Johnson. I know Wemby's that way in the set. I mean, the best part is if we don't hit a Wemby, you're only at $11. Deep space, Victor Wembanyama. Can Wemby be right behind him, though? Here, let's cover it up just in case. Victor Wembanyama. The first one on the deep space. I doubt he's behind himself, but the Hornets, my goodness, PJ Washington. It took till the third to last pack to find him. I think that was his case the other day too. Green for the Heat. Got a Tyler Hero and double base. Last pack. True Silver. Cracked ice into True Silver. Hawks. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Can we get a spur here? The Mavericks. Rookie. Mike Miles Jr. Rookie. And a Scotty Henderson going to the Trailblazers. There we go. You guys, if you see anything in the TikTok shop that you would like to pick up before I take off, let me know. I don't think I have anything put in the live shop, so let me put it in there. I'm hoping none of my inventory's off, because I'm gonna pin this one. It was a pretty good break overall, though. Some comments were filtered. Oh no. Oh, you got one box of that. I think inventory's right. This is what's in the pinned comment right now. Is in the pinned. If somebody wants to pick that up. It filters what the hell? I don't know. Must. You would have got one curry. Well, seeing as many people dropped off, I'm probably gonna pop off then. So I appreciate it, guys. Make sure you send me your shipping information if you haven't already, and then I will get this stuff out as soon as possible. I know there was somebody who messaged me on and asked something about 11 o'clock. You're welcome, bud. About wanting me to go live at 11 to buy something. But I don't know. Oh, and my phone's about to die, so that says time to get off. All right, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Have a good night.